Another great option to use summing track stacks is when using software instruments. And don't we all these days? How about maybe if you want to combine different patches from software instruments together to make one big playable patch? Well, you can of course do that already. Let me just go ahead and show you. Create a couple of software instrument tracks. There's 3 of them, and in case you didn't know yet, as long as you have them all on record enable, you can play these instruments all at the same time. Let me just quickly show you how that works. I'll insert an instrument on this first one. How about the electric piano? Right, second one, how about this new retro synth? And I'm just going to randomly pick a patch from the retro synth. Detuned strings, not even sure what it sounds like. And the third one, maybe another retro synth, and this time I'll put it on FM. Again, some patch. Maybe a brass sound. There, mellow brass. Oh, that's actually an analog patch, but that's all right. Now again, if I just record enable these 3, make a little balance, I can play them. I can now play this as one instrument. So that is great, but it gets a little different if I decide I want to save this combination of patches as one patch. Well, now with the summing track stacks, this is totally possible. You just select your tracks, go to track and create track stack. And again, we'll choose the summing track stack and it's done. If I now select this sum 6 track to record and play back from, I can do that just as easily as with the other method. But here's the kicker. Now, if I want to rename this track, maybe call it Olav piano strings, of course, I can again process them a little together. Little phasing could be nice on a patch like this. See how that sounds? So we build a patch with 3 sounds, channel EQ and a phaser plugin. And saving this couldn't be easier. You just go to the top left corner to the library. And what you do is you go to the save button over here. That'll give us a dialog where I get to name the patch Olav piano strings. There we go. And next time I want to use my personal piano strings patch, I just create a new software instrument. And in the library, it's now in the user patches folder. Just double click it and it's loaded on our track. Including our plugins, of course. So that's it, the summing track stack for software instruments.